Alright, my name's Adam Hughes. I'm an application engineer with GoEngineer, and today we are going to talk about hotkeys and how we can use them to make our design work more efficient. Start by highlighting any one of these icons up here. Right click, select Customize. Next, locate the tabs up on top and select Keyboard. Now what we can see is what hotkeys correlate to what functions in SOLIDWORKS. So we're going to start off by applying some hotkeys to our basic sketch commands, ones we use all the time. So scroll down a ways until you find your sketch commands. Now there are many ways to hotkey your sketch commands. Today I'm going to show you my preference. We have these top four followed by the next four followed by the next four, so I'm going to use QWER, ASDF, ZXCV. So starting off with line, I already set that one up as Q. Next one we're going to find is circle, and you can select which circle you want. It just depends on which one you use more. Personally I use this more, so I'm going to set that up as W. Next one is spline. Scroll down, find spline. Set that one up as E. Continuing forward, plane. Scroll down to plane, set that one up as R. Now we go to rectangle, set rectangle, whichever one you use the most, set it to that. Set that as A. Now occasionally you'll run into instances where you've already used a particular letter before, like what's coming up next. So we're going to go to arc. And we're going to see that there might be a conflict. Yes, so it says, oh, we already has S as a shortcut tool. And you can override it. You just got to remember, if you use shortcut tool a lot, to go back and change it to something else, like Alt S or another number. So you can go ahead and do that for now. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to show you just overriding is fine. So moving on, D, set that as ellipse. Text set as F. Slot set as Z. Polygon set as X. Fillet set as C. And last point set as V. So now you're all set up. So click OK. And now let's test this. So if I go over and press Q, I guess I should select a plane, but there's my line. I want to select W. There's my circle. E, spline. Let's try something else. S, let's get me an arc. Slot, Z. So you can see it's very easy to use. One other thing I'd like to go over too, and this is a easy fix for some of us who don't like to go to Tools, Insert, go to your drop down menu, select your features, surfaces, face curves, etc., etc. Just right click your tabs here and select what tabs you'd like to be visible all the time. So surfaces, you might use surfaces a lot. Your surfacing tab pops up with all the information right there, so you don't have to go find it in drop down menus. You can do it for sheet metal, you can do it for molds, weldments. If you happen to use all those, great easy access to them. One last thing too, if you're ever in a sketch or you're ever in a part or whatnot, good hotkeys to remember are Control 1, Control 2, all the way to Control 8. Those will automatically select your views for you. Control 8 being normal to your sketch or normal to whatever you're working on there. So, great way to be more efficient, and hope you enjoy the tutorial. Thanks for watching.